Every day in the United States, millions of people are silently using AI tools that give them a massive advantage. Tools that save time, double productivity, and help people earn more money with less effort. But here's the surprising part. Most people have never even heard of these websites. Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful AI websites that work like a digital assistant running 24/7. These tools help you create content, design images, research faster, build websites, write scripts, and even automate your entire workflow. They are free or extremely affordable, and once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Number 1. Leonardo AI. First on the list is Leonardo AI, the ultimate image generator. It's like having your own personal design studio that creates ultra-realistic images, product photos, posters, thumbnails, and even character art. Creators love it because something that used to take hours can now be done in just a few minutes. Leonardo's alchemy mode makes your images sharper, more detailed, and more professional. It's a game changer for YouTubers, drop shippers, designers, and agencies who want high-quality visuals without hiring anyone. Number 2. Notion AI. Notion AI is more than a note-taking tool. It's your intelligent personal assistant. It can plan your tasks, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, write content, and organize your entire life in a single place. Students use it for assignments. Founders use it to plan companies. Freelancers use it to manage clients. It feels like having a highly organized digital assistant sitting inside your laptop. Number 3. Durable.co. Next is Durable, a tool that shocks everyone who tries it. You enter your business name, and AI instantly creates a complete website with images, copy, contact forms, and branding. It also generates marketing text, SEO descriptions, and even a professional-looking logo. For freelancers and small business owners, it's the fastest way to launch a website without design or coding skills. Number 4. Runway ML. Runway ML is Hollywood's favorite AI editing tool. If you've seen AI-generated short films or cinematic videos going viral online, there's a good chance they were created with Runway. With Runway, you can remove backgrounds, generate entire scenes, track objects, color grade footage, and create stunning VFX. Its Gen 2 and Gen 3 models are used by filmmakers, YouTubers, and marketing agencies all over the world. It's one of the most powerful video tools available today. Number 5. Canva AI. Canva has become even more powerful with AI features like Magic Write and Magic Design. You can turn a simple idea into a professional design instantly. You can create thumbnails, ads, presentations, reels, posters, and so much more in just a few clicks. Even if you're not a designer, Canva makes everything look polished and high quality. Number 6. Script AI. Next is Script AI, a tool designed for creators who need scripts fast. Whether it's YouTube videos, ads, storytelling content, or business scripts, Script AI writes everything for you in seconds. It's perfect for short-form creators who upload multiple videos a day. Instead of spending hours writing, you can focus on recording and growing your channel. Number 7. 11 Labs. 11 Labs is the world's best AI voice generator. You can clone your own voice, create realistic narrator voices, or generate high-quality audio in multiple languages. The emotional stability feature gives voices real human-like expression. It sounds natural, warm, and incredibly professional. This is the tool behind thousands of YouTube channels, ads, audiobooks, and documentaries. Number 8. Perplexity. Perplexity is a smarter alternative to Google for research. Where Google gives you hundreds of links, Perplexity gives you the exact answer with verified sources. It gathers facts, summarizes information, and gives you clean, accurate explanations. Students, analysts, and writers are switching to Perplexity because it saves so much time and removes the guesswork. Number 9. Gamma. Gamma creates presentations, reports, and documents automatically. You type in a topic, and Gamma builds an entire slide deck with clean layouts and modern designs. It's perfect for teachers, students, sales teams, and content creators who want professional-looking slides without spending hours designing. Number 10. Readwise. Readwise is a knowledge automation tool. It collects all your highlights from Kindle books, PDFs, research papers, web articles, and notes, and summarizes everything for you automatically. It turns your reading into organized, searchable knowledge. If you're someone who reads a lot, this tool will become your best friend. These 10 AI websites can automate huge parts of your daily work, save you hours, and significantly increase your income potential. The truth is simple. AI isn't replacing people who use it. It's replacing people who don't. If you want more in-depth videos on AI tools, tutorials, and productivity hacks, hit the subscribe button now and tell me in the comments, which AI website should I review next?